The Gestamp Research and Development facility located in Auburn Hills, Michigan is a hub of innovation. Their efforts in working towards a lighter and safer car may one day change the way automobiles are built. Lindberg MPH recently supplied a 4-chamber hot stamping furnace for one of their cells. The furnace is integrated with a robotic transfer system and a hydraulic press. The 4 chambers operate independently, with the top chamber designated for aluminum treatment. This type of hot stamp system allows the customer the flexibility to treat different steels simultaneously and takes up a much smaller footprint than a continuous system. Lindberg MPH is a leading supplier of hot stamp furnaces to the automotive industry. Their experienced design team works closely with customers to meet their application requirements.